In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on Google Docs. Let's dive in and explore this straightforward process. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Whether you use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, make sure it's updated to avoid any hiccups along the way. Once your browser is open, direct your attention to the address bar at the top. Here, you'll want to type in google.com and hit enter to land on the Google homepage. Now that you're on the Google homepage, you should see a blue sign in button at the top right corner. Give that a click. Signing in is crucial because it gives you access to your Google account where your Google Docs are stored. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Carefully type in your email to avoid any typos, then click on the next button. Next, you need to type in your password. This step ensures the security of your account, so make sure no prying eyes are around. Once you've entered your password, hit the next button again. After signing in, focus your eyes on the top right corner of your browser. You'll notice a small grid of 9 dots, often referred to as the Google App Launcher. Click on this grid and a menu will appear displaying various Google services. From the drop-down menu, select Google Docs. This will navigate you away from the home page and open up the main Google Docs panel. Now you're inside Google Docs. It's time to select the document you'd like to collaborate on. If you're starting a new document, you can click on blank. However, if you're opening an existing document, find it in your files and click on it to open. Once your document is open on the screen, navigate to the top right section. You're looking for the share button, which typically appears with a small pencil icon next to it. Clicking this button will open up the sharing settings for your document. In the pop-up window labeled Share with People and Groups, you'll see a field where you can type in the email addresses of people you wish to collaborate with. You can add as many collaborators as you want. Just make sure their email addresses are correct. Below the email input, you'll notice options for specifying access levels: viewer, commenter, and editor. Select the appropriate level for each collaborator based on their role. For instance, if somebody is meant to just look but not touch, set them as a viewer. If they need to give feedback, choose commenter. To allow full editing rights, select editor. Once you've set access levels, click the send button to send out your invites. Alternatively, if you'd rather share your document through a link, you can click the copy link option. You can manage the link settings to make it accessible by specific individuals only or by anyone with the link. Adjust these settings according to your needs before sharing. And there you have it. You're now ready to collaborate efficiently on Google Docs. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.